Today we're visiting Weatherford, Texas. In 1855, Parker County was created by the Texas State Legislature and named for pioneer and state representative Isaac Parker. Parker was the uncle of Cynthia Ann Parker, a little girl who was stolen from her home by Indians during the Texas Revolution. Cynthia Ann lived amongst the Comanche and became the mother of Chief Quanah Parker. The town of Weatherford was named for the state senator for this district, Thomas Jefferson Weatherford. The 1886 Parker County Courthouse in Weatherford was designed by architect W.C. Dodson. The style and design is similar to other Texas courthouses in Hill, Hood, and Lampasas counties. The exterior of Parker County Courthouse was restored in the early 1990s. However, the interior was heavily modified since the original construction. In 2002, with a grant from the Texas Historic Commission's Historic Courthouse Preservation Program, Parker County Judge Mark Riley in Commissioner's Court restored the original interior configuration and finishes. The district courtroom, one of the largest in the state, was restored to its original size. The courtroom originally featured decorative wall and ceiling paintings, small wood balconies, and patterned floor coverings, all of which were restored. The original floor pattern was recreated in carpet. The mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems were replaced, and the courthouse made accessible to people with disabilities. In the future, the courthouse hopes to restore the design of the original courthouse square, which has been completely lost to highway and parking lots. The courthouse was redesigned in spring of 2004. Enhancing the beauty of the courthouse is why Parker County Judge Mark Riley formed a citizens committee in the summer of 2013 with a directive to bring ideas to the table from the community for making the courthouse a more prominent feature during the Christmas holiday season as it was in the past. That committee has raised funds to use to purchase a 30-foot tall Christmas tree that is placed on the east lawn of the courthouse from Thanksgiving through the end of the year. In addition to 4 large stars adorn the top of the clock tower and dormers, as well as thousands of Christmas lights during the Christmas season. To this day, Parker County Courthouse remains a jewel of downtown Weatherford. The city of Weatherford occupies a territory of approximately 27.4 square miles. Weatherford is located at the intersections of U.S. Highway 180 and 80, approximately 30 miles west of the city of Fort Worth, and approximately 60 miles west of the city of Dallas. Interstate 20 runs along the city's southern border and provides major access to Fort Worth and Dallas. Weatherford is situated such that it maintains an independent identity from Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, yet its close proximity to this major urban area has a direct effect. Residents find themselves able to achieve rural lifestyle without sacrificing conveniences in the labor market of a major metropolitan area. Many Weatherford residents commute to the Metroplex to work. Historically, the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex has enjoyed extremely low unemployment rate. It has also enjoyed the growth of a diverse economic base. The outward growth of Dallas-Fort Worth will impact the transition of Weatherford from its farming and ranching roots to increased urban residential, commercial, and industrial development. So if you have a chance to visit Weatherford, definitely put this on your list of places to visit because it is a very nice town with that Texas hospitality.